Hello everyone, I'm Alfian and today we are going to solve the Hackerrank algorithm implementation challenge on the preparation section called the build division. And for the challenge, the description says two friends, let's say Anna and Brian, are deciding how to split the bill at a dinner. Each will only pay for the items they consume. Brian gets the check and calculates Anna's portion. You must determine if his calculation is correct. For example, assume the bill has the following prices: 2, 4, and 6 inside an array of integer called the bill, and then Anna declines to eat item K, which is this one, which is the index of the items inside the bill array, which costs 6 or a certain number. If Brian calculates the bill correctly, Anna will pay something, and then if he includes the cost of bill number 2 or index number 2, he will calculate the total bill, and in the second case he should refund 3 to Anna instead of the full price. And then for this function, we are going to complete the Bon Appetit function in the editor below. It should print a string of Bon Appetit if the bill is fairly split. Otherwise, it should print the integer amount of money that Brian owes to Anna. So let's say since we already have the actual price, which is the B parameter, then we can check if the B is equal to actual prices. If it is, then we can print using the console.log Bon Appetit. If it's not, then we are going to return the actual price for Anna, which is the B subtracted by the actual. We don't have actual price here in the parameter, so let's declare one using the let actual. And we are tasked to solve the array, and we have to simplify the bill array by reducing them into a single number as the total of the bill of the item prices. So with this actual value, we can use the bill reduce function, and then using the accumulator and the current parameter or the argument on the callback function, and then using the accumulator with the current, and then using the initial value of 0. So in order we can get the total value or the total price inside the bill array, we cannot simply use a reduce because we are counting from the Anna's side, because he didn't eat one menu from the total bill. So we are going to dismiss one of them using this filter. So let's remove the reduce for a moment, and then bill filter. For the filter, we can exclude one item from the bill array using the JavaScript filter. And since the function already has the index of the item that is not being chosen by Anna, then we can use the filter with the second callback argument called the index. And for the first argument of the filter function is the element, which is iterating the current element inside the array. So to implement this, we can omit the first element using the underscore, and then for the second argument using the I as the index, and then for this function we are going to omit the index of the bill, which is the k index from this argument here, and then we are going to exclude the index of the item inside the bill by using this if I is not strictly equal to k. Then we are going to exclude one item from the array by creating a copy of the bill array. So let's console.log to see the actual, and let's comment this for now. Let's see the filter function. So it's already omitted the 10 from the array, so we only got the 3, 2, and 9, and then the 10 is the index number 1 of the bill, which is this one is 0 and this one is 1 index number. So we already got the filter right. Let's change this with the reduce function and calculate the rest of the array, the filter array, and then you can use the console.log again. Let's see the value it returns, and the value is 14 because we are calculating the 3 plus 2 and then plus 9. 5 plus 9 is 14, and the initial value is 0. And don't forget to divide it by 2 because they both splitting their bills. Let's write out the console from the testing, and let's change this to constant. Let's run this to see if it works. Let's submit this. Okay, so that's about it. I hope you understand my explanation. If you have any other solutions or if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you on the next video. Goodbye.